Now I will explain I3, I5, I7 circuits. First you should download that circuits. This is lqv77.com. This is the site name, Toshiba. See here, Toshiba satellite P750 core i7. This is i7 circuit. Now I will download this one. I will download this circuit. You click here. It is downloading. See here, this is Sony core i7 laptop schematic. Now I will download. Click here. And click here, this circuit will download. Now I will explain this one. And same in this way, Dell and all circuits you should download first. After, see here, Dell Inspiron 1427. These circuits also you should download first these circuits and you will see. Now I will explain. Already I explained in old videos. First we will see 5 volts and 3.3 volts. This is i7 Toshiba satellite P570. P750. Now I will explain 5 volts and 3.3 volts. This is the block diagram. See here, how many voltages in laptop motherboard. See here, plus B voltage comes to RT8205. After this voltage come out from plus 3.3 volts, 5 volts, always voltage, 1.8 volts. All these voltages come out from this is N channel FET, the LDO low drop out regulator, P channel FET, P channel FET. We will see all circuits in this way, all regulators. So how many supplies in laptop motherboard means this all supplies will come out this laptop motherboard. I will explain all these voltages in my online classes and in my institute also. Now we will see 5 volts and 3.3 volts. This is adapter connector 1, 2 plus 3, 4 minus. This voltage comes to here. Already I explained in old circuits. Any capacitor is short, adapter will burn, or adapter goes to very heat, or set will run with battery. So this V in voltage in, this voltage goes to charger page. And now we will see in battery connection also. This is battery connector. Battery connector. See here, DACA. This is SDA SCL connections. Data clock. This voltage come out from IO controller. So this voltage goes to VMB battery plus. Now we will see in charger page. See here, V in. This is adapter path. This is adapter path. Any fault is there, adapter won't work. This is battery path. See here, this is battery path. Bat plus. This voltage comes to here. This voltage comes to here. These 2 volts come out from B plus. Any fault is there, any fault in these 2 FETs, adapter won't work, battery will work. Any fault in here, battery won't work, adapter is okay. So this B plus voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator IC plus B voltage RT8205 volts plus point. This voltage comes to V in pin number 16 plus B pin. When you give voltage to this V in pin 16, this V regulator 3, this voltage come out from this place, this voltage goes to IO controller. This voltage comes to here, this pins. This is number, IO controller number KB930. When you give this 3.3 volts, this IC release SMB clock and data to 3.3 volts. This voltage goes to battery connector. Page number 49. That voltage comes to here, this one, pin number 6 and 7. First you connect adapter and you should check any battery connector have 3.3 volts. That means this all path is okay. This is Sony Vaio VPC-EH2N. This is also I7. First any circuit, first you will see adapter or battery connector page. See here, power adapter in connector, page number 33. First we will see adapter connector, page 2, charger page 34, and that voltage comes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts, page number 27. So first you will see adapter page, that means 33 page. Next you will see that voltage comes to charger page, that voltage goes to 27, power 3 volts and 5 volts regulator, PM6686. Now we will see first page number 33. This is DC connector. This 1-2 voltage comes to here, VA plus VA. This voltage goes to charger page. See here, battery connector. This is battery connector. This voltage come out from this place, BAT plus. This voltage goes to BAT plus. Now we will see page number 34, charger IC. This is charger IC, VA. This voltage comes to here, V in to this place, and battery connector from here, BAT plus. This voltage comes to here, this voltage comes to here, V in. This voltage goes to page number 27, 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator. Page number 27. See here, V in voltage. V in voltage comes to here, this PM6686. When this voltage comes to here, V in pin number 6, and enable LDO, this voltage comes to here. After LDO voltage come out from this place, this is 5 volt supply. After this voltage comes to this enable 2 volts. This voltage comes to enable 2. After this DH voltage come out from this place, this voltage come out from this place. This is plus 3 volts. This is plus 3 VPCU. This voltage goes to IO controller. Page number 16. This is IO controller. Now we will see page number 16. See here, this is IO controller NPCE791L. This 3 volts comes to here, all these pins. After this IC release data and clock, MB data clock. This voltage goes to battery connector. This is battery connector. This goes to battery connector. Any battery connector 3.3 volts is okay, means 3.3 volts SIO supply is okay.